it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this horizontal moon phase brass necklace. This one right here is made with Amazonite, and this one is made with rhyolite. So what you're going to want to do is use 20 gauge wire, and you want to make it about 2 inches long. Then you're going to take your round nose pliers, and you're going to go maybe, I don't know, a little less than 1 inch in, and you're gonna bend it at a 90-degree angle away from you. And then you're gonna wanna go back and put your pliers at the top and bend it around. And this we're gonna attach to the moon phase piece. And then you're gonna hold it at the loop. I'm going to hold the wire and wrap it back around. And then take your cutters and clip off the excess wire. Next, I'm going to put on this little brass bead. And then I'm going to put on my pendant. And then I'm going to put on this other brass bead. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold at the top of the bead as close as I can get with my pliers. And I'm going to bend it and make a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to go back in at the top and put my pliers at the very top. And I'm going to bend that around, making a nice little loop. And at this point, I'm going to come around and attach the other side, and then I'm just going to hold it right here so I can bend that wire back around. And then I'm going to snip off my excess wire. Then I'm going to get another bit of wire, maybe about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And I'm going to hold it a little more than halfway down. I'm going to bend over. Then I'm going to make my loop. And then at this point, I'm going to attach my pendant to the wire. It's a little too closed. I'll have to open it up a little bit. Then I'm going to hold that at the top and coil it back around. Then I'm going to snip off the excess. And then I'm going to put on my crystal. Then I'm going to hold it at the top, bend it away, go back, put my pliers in at the top, bend it over. And I'm going to move it down on the pliers to make it a little bit wider or a bit of a bigger loop so that I can make sure that my chain is going to fit over it. So that's going to work out well. It's going to give me some nice movement. So then I'm going to hold it at the top and coil it back around. Cut off your excess wire. Now on this one, I did it a little bit different from the other one just so I could show you 2 variations. So this one doesn't have the extra loop at the top, but instead of attaching it to the chain, you would just attach your other hoop there, and then you just run your chain through your hoop. So whichever way you like better. And this is a thicker chain, and this is a little bit thinner. So thanks so much for watching.